In this video, I will explain how to create a project with the Lumissil MCU IDE. First, open the Lumissil IDE. We first need to select a directory as a workspace. This workspace will store our projects. This is the default directory, but you can change it as you wish. Here we start to create a new project. I will use CS8974 as an example. First, we click the File option in the menu bar. Then click New and select C Project. Now type the project name. Next, we select the project type. The project type must be selected under the Others option. Select Lumissil MCU family. Notice at the same time, the Lumissil SDCC toolchain will also be selected. Click Next. More settings are needed, so click Advanced Settings. Click the C and C++ build on the left window. Click Settings. Here we need to select the SDCC compiler. Click the Processor tab below Lumissil SDCC compiler. Set the compiler model to the large model. Then click the Memory options below Lumissil SDCC linker. Here we choose the chip. We select CS8974 and once again set the model to large model. The linker model must also be the same as the compiler model. Click Apply and Close. Now we need to add our files to the project. Right-click the project. We create a new folder for header files. Right-click this folder. There is the option to include a new header file as well as to import existing header files. Then we create a new folder for source files. As with the header files, we can either add new source file or import existing source files. We must set the header files folder path for the SDCC compiler. To do this, right-click the project, select Properties, and click the directory below Lumissil SDCC compiler. Add the header file path. Finally, we start to build the project. Right-click the project and select Build Project. We can see that it starts to build the information on the console. Now we can see that the hex file is generated successfully. To download the file, we can use Lumissil EasySP. To get there, click the Lumissil icon on the menu bar. Click the EasySP option.